First day on a sale price, saving you $6. Plus, we have the free shipping and handling. Plus, we have 5 easy payments. That all is gone at the end of the day. We're talking about the high-waisted retro bikini panties. We have a 3-pack for you. It works out to $20 each. Some of them are matching back to the Today's Special Value. Smoothing without compression. No panty lines.
No. And listen, when I say no panty lines, if you're a size 2, you probably believe it. If you're a size 22, you might be saying, really? And I am telling you, across the entire size range, this is totally invisible under everything you wear. I used to only wear thongs because I hate the dreaded visible panty line. But now I love these.
My daughters go, Mommy, well, I won't go there, but they ask why. Why does it do that? And I'm like, I can't explain this right now.
Let our daughters ask why, It is so true.
Right.
I think about that all the time because I've got a 14-year-old and a 3-year-old, and I remember being put in like a training bra when you were 12 to be like, get ready to be uncomfortable.
Right.
No, don't be uncomfortable in your bras. Don't be uncomfortable in your panties.
That is the rule in the house.
That's the rule.
You're getting a set of 3, so let me take you through those colors, and then we'll talk about
so
sizing.
Many good colors.
Tonal, we have you get these 3 colors here. Blue cloud. Isn't that pretty? And you get one with a little bit of like a pattern there.
That's digitally printed lace. It's so gorgeous.
Blue cloud, and that is just a sticker, I think, right?
No, that is our rose gold embossed logo that symbolizes beauty and purpose.
Ooh, I love that.
Yep, beautiful.
I just didn't see it on all the others, so I was like, wait a second.
Oh, it's just
it is on the others.
It
it's
is
the way
on
they're
all of them,
folded.
yes.
So that's the blue cloud. Here we have core, the core 3. Fashion, where you'll get the champagne ginkgo, a navy, and what is this color?
Mica.
Mica.
Yeah, that's a mineral.
And then basics, where you'll get black, and then is this sand?
That's sand, and then that champagne ginkgo.
And then champagne ginkgo.
If you're buying the limited edition champagne ginkgo bra today too, you've got 2 selections here
to get matching
that set,
panties.
and the set is nice.
And I will tell you, the 0 through 14 have sold out in the other panties that we had a little bit earlier. So here's your opportunity to get those, but I think they are more limited.
0 to 14. And 16 to 24. So really 2 easy sizes here. It couldn't be easier. And a lot of times when you hear one size fits many, you think, oh, it's not going to look good because it's just one size fits all. No, it's not. We have 270 fit models, and we are testing them on everyone. It's got these beautiful princess seams. It is so flattering, comes all the way up to your true waist. 100% cotton in a full-sized gusset.
Right.
We're not scrimping anywhere. You will put these on and you will forget them. If you are not wearing high-quality Evelyn and Bobbie underwear, just try it.
Treat yourself. Well, there's fewer than 300.
You can't believe what a difference it'll make in your day.
Look at how beautiful those are on. And you can tell they do not create a panty line around the waist or around the legs. That works out to $20 each. Free shipping gone at the end of the day. The $12 easy pay gone at the end of the day. These may be completely gone at the end of the day because we are so limited in what we have remaining.
They're magic underwear, Terry.
Magic panties. I love it. And now we have the magic bra.